This is why you need to know about Cote d'Ivoire. From independence to innovation, witness an African nation's incredible journey. On August 7, 1960, Cote d'Ivoire declared its independence from France. The nation quickly embarked on a journey of growth under its first president, Félix Houphouët-Boigny. Through the 1960s and 70s, Cote d'Ivoire blossomed economically, becoming a leading exporter of cocoa and coffee. By the 1980s, Abidjan was dubbed the Paris of West Africa, symbolizing progress and prosperity. The 1990s brought challenges with political instability and economic struggles, but resilience defines the Ivorian spirit. In the 2000s, the country saw a renaissance with investments in infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Today, Abidjan stands tall with modern skyscrapers and bustling streets. Cote d'Ivoire's rich cultural heritage, from vibrant music to traditional festivals, continues to shine. And let's not forget their